Is your trim and tilt not registering on your Yamaha command gauges? I can literally show you right now what the problem is. Mine is not functioning correctly. Basically, there's a little finger there that's just stuck in the down position, and all we're really gonna do is put a little WD-40, loosen it up a little bit, and that should fix our trim and tilt not registering on our gauges or our Simrad. Okay guys, so let me show you the problem that I'm having. So as you can see on the Yamaha command gauge, it's showing that the motor is trimmed all the way down, but as you can see, the motor is all the way up. Even if I go down, it doesn't change, right? So I can go down, I can go up, and it doesn't change. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this really quickly using pretty much some WD-40, maybe a screwdriver, just something really, really simple. Let's do it. So because my boat is on a lift, I wanna trim the motor all the way up. And then what I'm gonna show you here real quick, without dropping my phone in the water, of course, there is this little black tab right here. Now this guy is the trim indicator, trim sensor, if you will. And basically what's happening is it's stuck in the down position. So either the spring needs to be replaced, or hopefully it just needs a little bit of lubrication. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some WD-40 in there and try to loosen that guy up, and then I'll show you the result. All right guys, so let me show you the moment of truth. I went ahead and sprayed some WD-40 in there and kind of loosened it up. So now let me show you. So right now it's showing the motor is in the completely down position, and the motor is in the completely down position. So let's go ahead and pick it up. And as you can see, as it's coming up, the gauge is now coming up. So that's really all there is to it, guys. It's really just some WD-40. That's all I did, was I just put some WD-40. Pretty much loosen this guy up right here. This is your trim sensor, your trim indicator, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, just put some WD-40 where that spring is, and now it's nice and loose. So now when the motor comes up, it automatically comes up. Thanks for watching Gear Views.